Hey guys, so this is my first video regarding a topic in Java Selenium. So in this video, we are going to solve a problem which is reading a file, Excel file probably, and it's also a video for just for my self improvement, like how to remove my anxiousness while talking or like how to balance out things. So yeah, let's get it started. Let me create a package as soon as possible. Let's name this. Let me create a class. Okay, let me create a main method quickly. Okay, what happened? Okay, let's get started. So first I will create a string variable name file path. Let me add the location of the file. This data. Okay, let me paste it. So so while creating or while reading a file, we have to first create a file path which will store the path to the file. Then after we have to create a file into input stream method, input stream object, sorry. This we have to pass the file path here. So this is the first basic step. I think we need to import some at throws declaration. Okay. After this we need to after this we need to I think we need to create a interface of workbook. In this we have to provide the object of the file input stream class. Okay, what happened? Throws equation. Okay, and after this we have to create a sheet. WP get sheet at index 0. So what we have done, we have just created an interface. From the workbook interface, we have implemented a class called X as a workbook. So this class is used to implement the methods to read XLSX file. So that's why we have created object for that. And after that, we have imported the sheet. Let me just import the necessary imports for this to read. Okay, I think get sheet. Okay, what happened now? This happens every time whenever I try to this one. I think we have to use. WP get sheet at index 0. Okay, I think this will work. Earlier we were importing the SL user model, but now we have imported the correct model. So let's see. Uh, After this we need to okay. So by this we have tell our program to point at the Excel, and in that Excel we have pointed to the first worksheet. And after this we have to make sure we will create a iterator for row. Let me create it quickly. Iterator rows first row, and this iterator sheet dot. Okay, so what we have done, we have created an iterator for the row, which will be iterating on that sheet, and there is a method in that iterator which is next. So what happen after whenever we initialize this, it will point out to the first row. So we are creating a object of the first row which is pointing to the first row. Now every row has some cells in it. So we have to create the iterator for cells also. Let me just create it. Iterator cell. This one we have to use, and after this we have to tell the okay cells. Okay, and on first row it will iterate now. First row dot iterate while cells as next system dot print cell dot cell. Okay, I think we need to let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, uh, so let me explain this program to you once again. So what we have done, we have created the iterator for the row, and after that we have created the first row object of the row class, and in that we have used the rows.next method to point out to the first row, and after that we have used the iterator for the cells to iterate on the first row which we have created, and when the cells has while the cell has the while the cell has the particular columns, it is reading the columns one by one. We have to ensure that we are extracting each cell, and then we are printing the result in system.println with the help of getString cell value. So this is the thing which we have covered in this topic, and this is not just an assignment, or this is not just a teaching. It's just a self improvement for myself and how to like tackle fear of speaking out. So this is the thing. Thank you everyone, and let's see how my journey goes into improving myself.